Use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
How you doing, sir?
Good, good.
These are some nice doors.
Thank you, man.
Ooh, nice work. Look, could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Yeah, it's my name's Johnny, and it's 4 Sundown ZV515s on 4 Audio Apex Cap 22s.
Okay.
With 200 amp hours the in-long.
Nice. It's a big port. What's it tuned on?
It's I don't know, I keep forgetting the port area on top of my head, but it's tuned to 27. The box is about like 19.7 cubes.
So you're tuned lower.
Yeah.
Is it not breaking at all, man?
This was from a build a couple years ago, but it broke before I did the wood roof.
It's a really good job. It's not hardly moving. You keep the pressure right there.
Oh,
so.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I sealed it up as much as I can. The whole firewall is sealed up. Everything.
Nice job, man.
When I had the 4K, I was able to play down to about 15, but now that I upped in power, probably about 21, 20 is about the lowest.
Yes, sir. To the back?
Yeah, for sure, man.
And these are at one?
They're at 1 ohm a piece.
Okay.
I had 8 of them before the show, but I popped 3 amps.
You had 8 on here?
Yeah, I had 2 per strap.
Whoa.
Yeah, one about half ohm per amp.
Dang.
Amps didn't like to do the high voltage and half ohm, but
there you go. Nice work, man. Good job. Yes, sir. Thank you, man.
What's going on, everybody? This is JACOVILE. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around we just got of his system at the Slamfest audio show near Tampa, Florida. We've got a really good 3-song demo with some outside and inside flex and some crazy 20 hertz subwoofer flex on the 3rd song you're going to see today. So these are really beefy subs, and he said he actually had 2 amps per sub before. So he's only giving it low power compared to what he actually was doing. And of course you can see the way the amp rack was staged with the fans to keep him cool, and if you can kind of see the bolts, he actually stacked 8 on top of each other beforehand. So I cannot imagine how crazy it would have been. And you're going to see how crazy it is on a little over 8,000 watts in this demo. Really like the way he actually has his wiring job for his terminals custom made for this. Is anybody looking for an idea, that's a good option. And notice the way he has the port in the center to keep everything kind of balanced symmetrically between the cabin of the driver and the passenger for a musical build demo. And he gave me a really good 5-minute demo, 3 different songs. So only 8,800 watts on these 2 to 2,500 watt RMS rated subs. Underpowered, but still brutal demo. Welcome to my channel, JACOVILE. Subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos, and enjoy.
All right. good.
Want more.
All right.
I'll give you some like 20 hertz.
Okay. Oh, all right. You want to shut this?
Yeah.
Okay. Right there. job, man.
Thank you, man.
Man, you did some work on this, you can tell.
Oh, yeah.
Really clean. You don't, your doors are solid even though they're taking the beating, and you play good frequency range.
Oh yeah. When I had the 4K, I was able to play down to about 15, but now that I upped in power, probably about 21, 20 is about the lowest.
Yes. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.